are aboard an Airbus A220 right now.
Check out the laboratory. As long as you don't touch any emergency equipment.
Aww. Yeah. I'm gonna get lots of videos filmed.
Give it a try?
This
is probably very good.
Yeah, you can buckle it, shelf it.
See how it works.
So they put extra large overhead bins. That was one of the biggest things that you guys did.
That's a big suitcase.
How you?
Everyone can fit their bag.
Yo, this is so awesome.
I feel like they've been
Riley probably does think it's important. Right? Think about it. Like,
That's all they know about getting
right?
money.
That's it. I would never have thought of that, but you're 100%. Why wouldn't you be? Look at that.
Thanks for getting right on my way.
Oh, it's not what I thought it was. I'll see you in the feet room.
Oh yeah, look at that. 3 on this side. That's nice. Man, dude, this is one.
Where are we going, Riley? Hey, we're watching the show.
Mom, try the footrest. Mom, press the button here.
And then if you go somewhere, where would we go? I would go to business class.
How do you like business class?
Beautiful.
Plane I've ever been on.
What did you take to Frankfurt?
787 900.
All that?
Alright, let's go to the back.
Okay, look at this.
I like the pods better.
The pods are nice, aren't they?
Yeah. How would you open this?
Oh, it's the emergency exit. So the handle is up.
Whoa, that's the nicest emergency.
That you would put that.
And the emergency exit on this one, if we have to use it, the person sitting here would pull that cover off, reach up, pull the handle down, let go, and the door opens outwards and upwards automatically. They don't need to worry about carrying a 60-pound window and throwing it out. So they just have to pull down that handle and let go, and it will go off automatically. And then they slide.
Well, you will have to fly on one soon.
Most satisfying noise ever. Just listen.
Sounds like it.
Yeah, it's just still a business.
That's the most satisfying noise ever.
What? That it comes down nice and slowly?
It's just when you put it back up. You know what? I don't think I'm gonna like actually do like a video about this because I'd rather do it with my like, you know, full out camera. Man, the thing's nice. The weird thing is, it doesn't look weird that the fact that 3 seats on this side, and like, to be honest, it's not that weird.
Kindly ask that you step out of the aisle, the DB aisles, allow the customers behind you to proceed through to improve the flow through.
Well, you want to see the waterworks?
Please do take as many
Probably
pictures
not
as you
yet.
would like on board, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. On behalf of our 33,000 employees here at Air Canada, welcome aboard.
Well,
37 now.
37.
In the seats. To be honest,
This is supposed to be make it passenger announcement.
oh, okay. You can try it out in a bit. All right. And how about in how many seconds?
Okay, Justin, come on, let's go down now.
Satisfying.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
Jess?
We'll have to keep the flow moving.
Okay, yes.
All right,
yeah.
let's rock and roll. Thank you so much. That was not as satisfying as I ever thought it would be, but it was.